Have you ever thought about creating your own food forest? A place where nature does most of the work, and you reap the benefits of a diverse food-producing ecosystem right in your backyard. This might sound like a dream, but it's absolutely achievable, even on a small surface area. First off, you might wonder, what is a food forest? A food forest or forest garden is a diverse planting of edible plants that attempts to mimic the ecosystems and patterns found in nature. The concept is simple, but the execution can be complex. That's where we come in. Let's start with the basics. The first step in creating your food forest is to observe and design. Take a good look at your space. Observe the sunlight, the wind, the slope, and the soil. You need to understand the microclimates in your garden to design a food forest that works with your unique conditions, not against them. Next, we need to prepare the soil. This is where syntropic farming methods come into play. Syntropic farming is a regenerative agriculture system, which means it improves the soil over time rather than depleting it. Start by layering organic materials like compost, green waste, and brown leaves on your garden bed. Over time, this lasagna of organic matter will break down and enrich your soil. Remember, healthy soil equals healthy plants. Now it's time to choose your plants. In a food forest, we use 7 layers of plants: the canopy, low tree layer, shrub layer, herbaceous layer, ground cover layer, vine layer, and the root layer. Each layer works together, just like in a natural forest. For the canopy, consider fruit and nut trees that suit your climate. The low tree layer can include smaller fruit trees and large shrubs. Berry bushes are perfect for the shrub layer, while the herbaceous layer can include culinary and medicinal herbs. Ground covers keep the soil protected and moist, while vines can be trained to grow up trees and shrubs. Lastly, the root layer can include edible roots like carrots and potatoes. Design your food forest so each layer has space to grow and thrive. Remember, diversity is key. The more variety of plants you have, the more resilient your food forest will be. Lastly, don't forget to maintain your food forest. This includes regular watering, mulching, and occasional pruning. A well-maintained food forest can provide you with a bounty of food year after year. Creating a food forest might seem like a big task, but remember, every forest starts with a single seed. So why not plant that seed today? If you found this video helpful, please show your support by liking, sharing, and commenting. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more garden inspiration. Remember, the future of food could be growing in your backyard. So why not start your food forest journey today?